we have already seen what is the relation between the universal gravitation constant and the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and this is the relation between them. Okay, this one. Now we are going to find out what is the differences between the small g and the capital G. We know that small g is the acceleration, okay, on the freely falling body due to the gravitational force. Capital G is the universal gravitational constant, which is numerically equal to the force of gravitation between the two masses of 1 kg each separated at a distance of 1 meter from each other. You can say instead of the 1 kg, you can say two objects of the masses of unit masses separated from each other at a unit distance. Okay, that way also you can say. Already we have defined what is G, which we got the numerically equal to F. Now second point we can write down, as G is the acceleration, its a SI unit is meter per second square. You can write down meter per second square like this or like this. Don't put a slash in between this, that will be a wrong. Okay, so you can write down like this or this way. Now as G is the universal constant, it's a unit already we got, that is Newton meter square per kg square. Value of G just now we have calculated on the earth surface, we got 9.8 meter per second square. Value of G, this is the universal constant, which value it is given by the Henry Cavendish, and that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. G just now we have seen it varies from place to place on the earth surface, above the earth surface, below the earth, as well as if it is in the space or anywhere in the universe. The value of G will be vary because G depends on this mass of the earth. Okay, as we are going on, we will be on the moon, the mass of the moon and radius of the moon, it will be different, so G will be different for the moon. Okay, so G varies from place to place, but capital G is the universal constant. As the name suggests, it is constant all over the universe. This depends on the distance between the masses, which now we can see in this relation, but capital G is the independent of any distances. So this is the different points what we have seen for the capital